Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some skincare products that will help you to glow and even out your caramel skin complexion. These skincare products I'm going to be sharing with you will not make you go darker and it will not make you go fairer. It will help you to maintain, brighten, and bring out your natural caramel skin complexion. Now, when it comes to picking skincare product that is suitable for caramel skin, there are certain ingredients that you should look out for. Take for example, we have cocoa butter, we have shea butter, we have vitamin C, we have vitamin E, we have niacinamide, we have almond oil, we have retinoids, we have coconut oil or coconut butter, we have rosehip seed oil, we have berry extract, and we also have honey. There are more to these, but here are just 11 key ingredients that will help you to glow your caramel skin complexion. That is, when you're going for skincare products, look out for some of these ingredients in your skincare product. They'll be so nice on your caramel skin. Now, I just want to chip in this skincare tip when it comes to caramel skin. Now, and that skincare tip has to do with exfoliation. Now, exfoliating your skin regularly, it is very important. Now, when I say regularly, I mean 2 to 3 times in a week, depending on the sensitivity of your skin. That is, depending on how sensitive your skin is. So it is good to exfoliate your skin regularly, because when you exfoliate your skin regularly, it will help you get rid of dead skin cells, to help you get rid of dull skin, and it will also reveal a more brighter and a glowing caramel skin. And when you exfoliate your skin regularly, it enables your other skincare products to work well on your skin. So which means exfoliating your skin regularly is very nice for people that has caramel skin, and also it is actually good for all skin types. So whether you have a dark skin, caramel skin, fair skin, exfoliating the skin, it is very nice. Now let's quickly get into this skincare product. So for this skincare product, I will be giving it to you in form of a skincare routine, and also this skincare routine I'm sharing with you is mainly focused on body care routine. Okay, and the first step in our skincare routine has to do with cleansing. Now, when it comes to cleansing, it is important that you make use of both a bar soap and then a body wash. Now, the importance of a bar soap is it will help you to pre-cleanse your skin. Bar soap has its own benefits to the skin, just as using body wash has its own benefits to the skin. Now, a good bar soap you can make use of is the Pamer's cocoa butter formula cream bar soap with vitamin E. So this product contains cocoa butter in it. You know, when I was mentioning key ingredients for caramel skin, I said cocoa butter is nice. This product also contains vitamin E in it. Now, this cocoa butter and vitamin E that is found in this soap, it will help you to moisturize your skin, and it will also benefit your skin in a lot of ways. It will help you to brighten your caramel skin complexion. Now, this soap is a moisturizing soap, and it has a mild and a pleasant scent in it. Now, this soap is good for both dry skin. As a matter of fact, it's good for all skin. So whether you have a dry skin, normal skin, sensitive skin, you can make use of this soap. It is so nice and moisturizing on the skin. Now, this cocoa butter and vitamin E that is found in this soap will also help you to nourish your skin and pamper your skin, thereby revealing your natural caramel skin complexion. Another benefit of this Pamer's cocoa butter soap is that it actually helps to improve blemishes on the skin, thereby revealing your natural caramel skin complexion, or evening out your natural caramel skin complexion. Now, when you're done pre-cleansing, that is making use of a bar soap, the next step is going in with a body wash. Now, a good body wash you can make use of is the Dove Nourishing Secret Indulging Ritual Body Wash. Now, this body wash helps brighten the skin, and it is also gentle on the skin, thereby making it suitable for all skin types, and also making it good for caramel skin complexion. Now, this Dove Nourishing Secret Body Wash contains shea butter in it, and it also contains vanilla in it. And the combination of this shea butter and vanilla that is found in this body wash will help you to pamper and nourish your skin, and it will also help you to brighten and even out your caramel skin complexion. And also, due to the presence of shea butter and vanilla that is found in this Dove body wash, it makes this body wash to be very nice when it comes to moisturizing the skin, skin, thereby making this body wash very beneficial when it comes to maintaining the skin's natural moisture barrier. Now when you're done cleansing your skin, the next step is exfoliating your skin. Now, two things when it comes to bringing in exfoliation into your skincare routine. The first step is when you have pre-cleansed, that is when you have made use of a bar soap. The next thing is you exfoliating your skin. So when you're done making use of your body scrub, you now go in with your body wash. So that is how you should bring in your body scrub in your skincare routine. And then another tip when it comes to using body scrub is that if you have a dry skin, it is very advisable that you make use of a sugar scrub. Do not make use of a salt scrub. Salt scrub is not good for people that has a dry skin. So if you have a dry skin, sugar scrub should be the best option to you. The reason why is because salt scrub will dry out your skin. Now a very good body scrub you can make use of, and this is a sugar scrub, and that is the Dr. Teal's Sheer Sugar Scrub. Now this Dr. Teal's Sheer Sugar Scrub gently exfoliates the skin, and it doesn't strip moisture off the skin, and it is not harsh on the skin. Like I said, it gently exfoliates the skin. Therefore, this product is good for people that has dry skin. It is good for sensitive skin also. You know, I said that dry skin should make use of sugar scrub. So this is a very good sugar scrub that you can make use of if you have a dry skin, and it is also perfect for people that have sensitive skin. Now, the vitamin C, citrus, and also almond oil that is found in this body scrub are the ingredients that are responsible when it comes to brightening the skin. That is, making use of this product will help your caramel skin, to help you to brighten your caramel skin complexion. Now when you're done exfoliating your skin, the next step is going in with a body lotion. Now a very good body moisturizer you can make use of for caramel skin is the Pamer's Cocoa Butter Formula Cream with vitamin E. Now this cream helps to smoothen and reduce marks on the skin. Now this Pamer's Cocoa Butter Cream is formulated with a lot of skin beneficial ingredients like cocoa butter, shea butter, elastin, and also collagen. And the combination of these ingredients in this cream will help you to moisturize and nourish a dry and a rough skin. This product is also very nice when it comes to repairing a damaged skin barrier. So if your caramel skin, let's say, and you also have a damaged skin barrier, then making use of this Pamer's Cocoa Butter Formula Cream with vitamin E, it is very nice to repair a damaged skin barrier. Now this product leaves the skin literally smelling so nice for a very long time. Now when you're done applying your body moisturizer, the next step is going in with a body oil. Now making use of a body oil is very important. Like, it is very advisable if you want your caramel skin to be glowing and be popping. Now body oil has its own benefits it offers to the skin. Body oil will help you brighten your skin. It will help you moisturize your skin very well. Body oil will help you even out your skin complexion. Like, there are a lot of benefits body oil offers to the skin. So which means if you want a glowing and a healthy caramel skin complexion, then try to incorporate body oils in your skincare routine. Now a very good body oil you can make use of is the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Oil Mist. Now this Aveeno body oil mist is enriched with oats and also jojoba oil in it, and these two ingredients enables this body oil to moisturize and nourish the skin, thereby leaving the skin feeling soft, smooth, and also glowy. Now this Aveeno body oil, it is a lightweight oil that absorbs well into the skin, and it does not leave the skin feeling greasy at all. Making use of this Aveeno body oil will really help you when it comes to improving your caramel skin complexion. Okay, it will help you to even out your caramel skin complexion and leave your skin feeling and looking glowy. Now this body oil is good for dry, rough, and sensitive skin. Now another good body oil you can make use of for caramel skin is the Neutrogena Body Oil. Now this Neutrogena body oil is also a lightweight oil that will help you to moisturize your skin and also brighten your caramel skin complexion. Now making use of this Neutrogena body oil will give you a more toned and healthy caramel skin complexion. Now, when you're done applying your moisturizer, the next step is going in with your sunscreen. Now, make sure you always apply a sunscreen during the daytime. Now, a very good sunscreen for caramel skin that will not leave a white cast on your skin is the Bondi Sand Daily Moisturizing Sunscreen Lotion. Now, this sunscreen contains an SPF of 50 in it. This sunscreen is formulated with aloe vera, which will help you to calm skin irritation. This sunscreen is also formulated with vitamin E, which will help you to moisturize your skin, and it will also provide hydration to your skin for up to 72 hours. Now, this Bondi Sand sunscreen, it's a very nice sunscreen you can use on your body. Okay, it is not going to leave a white cast on your skin at all. Okay, and it actually blends well into the skin. So this is a very nice sunscreen that you can make use of if you have a caramel skin complexion. Now, if you want to know more sunscreens you can make use of for your caramel skin complexion, I have actually filmed a video where I shared 5 effective sunscreens, that is sunscreens that will not leave a white cast on your skin at all. Now, these sunscreens I shared, you can actually make use of them on your face also. So if you also need a nice sunscreen you can make use of on your face for your caramel skin, and also these sunscreens are good for dark skin. It will not even leave a white cast on dark skin complexion at all. So I'm going to leave the link of that video over here so you can follow this link to check out that video. So loves, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.